Hey, Skyla.
Call her again.
Skyla. Oh, yeah, what else? Oh, there's the dog, the puppy. And you're being Whoa! What'd you sing? Skyla! Hey, Skyla. Can you sing for us again? The lead singer. Skyla. Hi. Yeah. Is it the puppy? The puppy's nose. It's a doggy. More puppies?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Hi, puppy. Say hi, puppy. What? Did the puppy think of giving you a kiss?
Mm.
Hi. Oh, that black is delicious.
Sky Bear. Skyla.
Puppy's mouth. Oh no. Yeah. Really? Okay. Talking fell in here. Really?
Sophie's climbing on the box. That's awesome.
Oh yeah. Oh, I see.
Can you give her a hand?
Yes, Sam.
I think that's all she wants.
There you go. You got it?
Hi, Sylvie Bean. Come here, Sky. Come over here, baby. Okay. You go over there then.
Look. Good job. Hey, what?
Oh, good job. She stood back up and then fell.
Nice. Oh, drum it. Drum it out. Nice noise. How's that black? Oh, delicious. Hey. Oh, what? Hi. Oh, I see.
What do you think about that, Sylvie?
Understand?
What do you think about what she just said? Wow.
A lot of thoughts? A lot of thoughts? Do you have a cough? That's a good sound. Whoa, wait.
Hi,
More noise,
Sky. Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay, you sing. She'll play the drum, you sing. There you go. Give it a try. You have a drum. You good. Good job. Can you hit it? There you go.
Good
You did
job.
it. Good job.
All right.
Good rhythm. Oh, that's
Ooh,
smart.
that's even better.
Good job.
Whoa.
Nice.
Sylvie's like, Mom, why'd you give her the better one? She's like not even pounding anymore.
I just dug that out. You're a good sharer. happy in other people's happiness. Here.
Can I share in it instead and go
Here.
get it, Mom?
Watch this. You have 2 drumsticks. There you go. Good job. Alright.
Sylvie, do it again. Do it again, Sylvie.
What, drum? Oh, this?
There you go.
Good job.
Good job. Where did the one go? Oh, there it is.
Skylar's going around the back camera. Let me see.
Oh, that's cute. Sky Bear.
Did you find the instructions?
Yep, I want to eat them.
Sylvie and I played Habitat for Humanity yesterday. We built the house together.
That was pretty funny, wasn't it, Sylvie?
Good job. Yay! I know
Straight
it
into the
ran away.
Can we not eat the paper, please?
Okay, it's right here.